happy Wednesday, Scots. I'm Hannah.
And I'm Ashira. Welcome back to Scots Weekly. This is our final show of the school year.
That's right. Today is the last day for our seniors here at campus, so we've got a few final announcements just for you.
First up, seniors, listen up. If you're planning to decorate your cap or gown, custom regalia for graduation, you must get it approved by the dean's office.
Just email a clear photo to Ms. Verde by today, and don't forget to include your name and UID number.
No late requests will be accepted, so don't wait until the last minute.
Ms. Verde's email is up on the screen now. Make sure to send that photo today.
Next up, senior sunset and senior breakfast tickets are officially on sale.
Tickets are $13 each, or go grab both events in a bundle for just $20.
You could buy them now at the finance office, but don't wait.
The last day to purchase is May 23rd.
And now it's time for a quick break.
Depression. There are many symptoms of depression, such as anxiety, trouble sleeping or oversleeping, energy loss or fatigue, frustration, and thoughts of suicide. In 2021, 5 million adolescents in the U.S. had at least one major depressive episode. If you are having harmful thoughts towards yourself, call or text 988.
Welcome back, Scots. I'm Raquel. And I'm Gabby. Let's jump into some sports news. Attention, all current and future runners. There's an important cross-country meeting today in Classroom 2C with Coach Dawson. They'll be going over key info about summer practices, so if you're planning to join the team, make sure you're there. You won't want to miss it. In CIF Central Section Division II playoff action last Friday, Highland softball wrapped up their season with a hard-fought 4-9 loss against Liberty in the round of 16. Great effort this season, ladies. Meanwhile, on the baseball field, Highland pulled off a big 5-3 win on the road against Sierra Pacific. The Scots now move on to the quarterfinals and will face Sanger High today at 4:30 p.m. Good luck and bring home that win. Highland Track and Field competed at the CIF CS Division II Championships at Dinuba High School. The boys team placed 20th out of 28 schools, while the girls team had an impressive showing, finishing 6th out of 27. Way to represent, Scots. In league play, boys golf had a fantastic season, finishing 2nd overall in the SYC Valley League. Meanwhile, boys tennis wrapped up their season in 5th place in the league. Congratulations to both teams on a strong year. I'd like to shout out Mr. Valdez and my friend Ariana for helping me get through the school year. I'd like to give a shout out to Mr. Valdez and my friend Gracie and Michael for helping me get through this very hard school year. That's a wrap for Sports, Scots. Peace out.
So, have you heard Cardi's new album?
Oh my god, that was so good. Wow!
Kobe!
Dude, did we just become best friends by picking up trash?
I think we just did!
Welcome back, Scots. I'm Sophia.
And I'm Gracie. Let's get back into some school announcements.
Attention class of 2026. Want a head start on college? Join us June 9th, 10th, and 11th from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. for an exciting opportunity to explore your future.
You'll learn how to apply for college, discover financial aid and scholarship options, explore majors, careers, and even get help writing all those important application and scholarship essays.
And here's the bonus. Students who attend all 3 days, Monday through Wednesday, will get to go on a special field trip on June 12th, departing at 8 a.m.
To sign up, stop by room 2A or scan the QR code once it's updated. Don't miss this chance to set yourself up for success.
We're almost at the finish line. Summer is just around the corner.
Before we wrap up this year, take a moment to thank all the people who supported you, like friends, family, teachers, or any staff member here at Highland.
A little gratitude goes a long way. Be kind, be helpful, and let's finish the year strong.
And a quick thank you to Miss Gomez for being the best senior teacher. Thank you for an amazing school year. We'll miss you.
And a little shout out from me to Miss Lindsay. Thank you for being a great teacher and helping me out throughout this year. I hope you have a great summer.
And now it's time for a quick commercial break.
Check out this video.
I don't want to go to class. Me either. Should we ditch? Yeah, but there's only one direction we can go. Wait, one direction.
Everyone else in the room can see it. Everyone else but you. Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. The way that you flip your hair gets me overwhelmed. But when you smile at the ground, it ain't hard to tell. You don't know, you don't know you're beautiful.
Ladies, get to class.
But we were so in sync. Wait. In sync?
Welcome back, Scots. I'm Maya.
And I'm Regina. Here are the final announcements.
If you bought a yearbook this year, they'll be available for pickup after school today. Stop by the cafeteria to grab yours.
Also, there are still several caps and gowns that haven't been picked up yet. Make sure you get yours before graduation.
You can pick them up before school, during lunch, or after school, but not during classes.
Now, I want to give a special shout out to Amalia for being my co-host this school year.
Thank you, Regina. I'd like to give a shout out to Miss Nelson for always having a positive attitude and keeping a positive atmosphere in the classroom. And also Regina for being the best co-host anyone could ask for. Thank you.
Now, let's get back to Hannah and Ashaya.
Finally, seniors, here are some important dates to keep in mind, from grad night and graduation rehearsal to picking up your tickets for family members and, of course, grabbing your diploma.
Honestly, I'm just ready to be done with school.
That's a wrap on this year's Scots Weekly. Thanks for tuning in every week and staying connected. I want to give a special shout out to Miss Cab and Miss S for being such great teachers.
I remember my first time recording Scots Weekly and I was nervous and shy, but it's been a fun reporting experience. I had a blast keeping you guys updated on everything. I give a big thank you to everyone behind the scenes and the friendships I made throughout the years. It's been a privilege to be your announcer and I'll be passing the mic. Enjoy the rest of the year, Scots.